Hey, what's up guys? Dennis here from primetraders.com, and in this video what I'm going to be going over is how I condition my mind for trading success every single day. Now, first let's start with why I do this. Let me remove this. Why do I do this? I do this because the mind is actually where we determine our actions. First thinking, then process, right? That's how it works. Sorry, I'm just checking my trades. But also, it's very important that it actually makes me expectant. So when I condition my mind for the morning, it makes me expectant of good things. And if I do the good things, which means follow my system, have my daily routine checked, have my position sizing followed, and all of those things, I will have a good day. But what is a good day? If you're a part of my community, you definitely know what a definition of a good day is. And that is ending the day in one of four ways while always ultimately following our trading routine, trading process, trading system, risk management, and everything else. So what are the one of four ways? The one of four ways is 1, ending the day in a big profit. 2, ending the day in a small profit. 3, ending the day in break even. And 4, ending the day with a small loss. There is no option 5. And I'll repeat that a million times. There is no option 5 because option 5 represents big loss. And if you want to have a big loss, don't even bother working with me because that's what we don't do. So we need to make sure that our day ends like that. And if we do the right things throughout the day, then we're going to guarantee that it ends that way. But also if we condition our mind, we increase the odds of going to those upper levels 1, 2, 3, or even just 1, 2. Now, how do I actually condition my mind? The process is pretty simple. Before I jump onto the charts or before I even turn on my computer, what I do is I define my rules. So I go over my trading rules, my analysis process, things like this. So what are the things? I determine my position size. I define my rules. I go over my goals. What do I mean by goals? I mean my excess profit target. So let's say if I'm trading with my 10K account and I'm up 2.5 grand, which is 20% in a trading session, I can get out and call it a day or a session for London and come back to New York with a fresh approach and a clean mind. The other things that I want to do is I outlay what I need to do in order to have a successful day, and then I jump on the charts. And I follow a basic process of 1, find the trade, and that's the analysis. So do multiple time frame analysis, use the past, present, future process of the system. When I find the trade, then locate the exit before even entering and determine the risk I'm willing to accept, tolerate, and completely take responsibility for. And what do I mean by this is there is a chance that you're going to lose money. There is a chance the trade's going to be wrong, and you need to accept it because not every pattern works out, and that's a given. Number 3 is when I get the entry, what I do before I even get the entry is I locate my exit, right? That's number 2. But when I locate my exit, I know where my risk management is, how much am I risking. So when I enter, I work out my profit targets, but more importantly, I would wait for a candle to close to find a valid confirmation. So that's pretty much how I condition my mind for success in the day. It's a pretty simple process, and it's pretty much about everything I do. Like I said, before I even turn on my screens, I condition my mind. And when I condition my mind, I'm ready to go, which means I follow that basic process. 1, find the trade. 2, find the exit. 3, enter. But before I enter, work out the profit target and wait for the candle to close. That's all I got for you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.